Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn XLOOKUP domain match. I have a sample dump here with 4 columns and 3 rows. So what we are matching here is the ending domain, which is gmail.com. I'm going to match and I'm going to get the results from this range. Let's say if I want to grab the John detail, it should reflect me as sales. If I grab ramu@gmail.com result, that should be reflecting as support. So we are going to use two functions here in this video. One is XLOOKUP and two is filter. So first, XLOOKUP is going to give only one result. So let's see how it's going to work. So first I'm going to write XLOOKUP, and then instead of searching this cell, because we are looking for a particular text match, which is like partial or wildcard match, so that's how we're going to select only the domain name gmail.com, but I'm going to write asterisk, which tells XLOOKUP to only look for this text, so it will ignore the other text and only look for the text which is given here. Now I'll put a comma here, and then I'll give a range, comma, result range, comma, what if there's a missing value? I'm going to write NA. It should give me the NA, and the match mode would be 2 because it is a wildcard match. It's used for partial match. So if you're using for a partial match, definitely you should write 2, and then in the parentheses, already you're seeing here the sales is highlighted. As you already know, the XLOOKUP is only pulls the data which comes first in the list. So John is first in the list. That's the reason we got sales result, but we are not getting Ramu result here. To get all the results from this range, we can use filter function, which works pretty good. So I'm going to write filter. I'm going to extract @gmail.com results. So first I'm going to give the result range. What should it reflect after writing the formula? So I'm going to take a help of regex match here to extract the text. So from where should it check? So this is a range regex match should check. So I'm telling regex match to look for quotes gmail.com. So it should look for gmail.com, which is the text I'm looking for. So what happens here is first regex match works. So it goes to the E8 to E10 and then look for gmail.com, which is in the quotes. So you should use quotes whenever you're using text. For numbers or cell references, it is not required. So I used quotes, and it went here and it found 2 results. One is John and the second one is Ramu. So ideally it should give sales and support as a result, right? So I'm gonna end the parenthesis and hit the enter. So as you can see, all the gmail.com entries have been given here. Let's assume Meena is also has a domain ending with gmail.com. Automatically the HR result will appear here. As you can see, the third result is also appeared. So this is how you can work on this domain match. So let me explain one more time. So if you're working with XLOOKUP, you should giving the asterisk and then the text which you want to search for, which literally means that go to the cell range and look for exact this text, and then if it is available in E8 to E10, then display F8 to F10 wherever it matches. So basically XLOOKUP works for first match. So it has given me the first result. And to explain filter, it is very simple. Filter is looking for this range by using regex match help. So regex match is doing check in this range and finding it out at the rate gmail.com, and I have given the text in the quotes, so which is going to check whether it is available or not. So if it is available, then tells the filter that these are the two rows that has a match, and then the filter function displays sales and support as a output. So this is a background method or background work which happens when you write the formula. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.